than 2 weeks to go till Christmas, and if you're still saying, like, what is the perfect gift, you cannot go wrong with mail order goodies.
Yeah, Danielle Kartes is the host of the YouTube show Rustic Joyful Food, and she's here with some of her favorite food gifts to send for the holidays. We were saying, like, this is what you actually want.
This is what you want. You don't want all the garbagey stuff. You want food.
Yeah.
You want food.
Yes.
You know, knickknacks.
Yes.
And we have got some really fun stuff. So this is Harry and David. I love
Harry and David does cookies?
I had no idea.
So they're superstars for pears, but listen, they have cookies too.
For pears.
Which is
I
so
know.
cool.
I love their pears.
Yes, absolutely. They're out of Eastern Oregon. This little guy's $49, and it just makes you happy to get cookies. When my dad was in the Army in the 70s, my grandma Mac would send him cookies, and he would wait for the box of cookies. And then you have this little crate that you can, like, repurpose.
Can you still send them now? We
Absolutely.
Have time?
You can
So
still
all
send
of
them now.
this, we have time.
All of this, you have time.
Okay, I have to be honest. This cake
is so good.
one of my favorite.
One of your favorites. Well, look, I've got some for you to taste.
I mean,
this is
deadly.
Caroline's Cakes. I love a story behind a business, and this is so sweet. Richard's mother Caroline started the business in South Carolina, and they got an order for 2,000 cakes, and she converted their basement into like a factory to make the cakes.
Isn't that crazy?
And a star is born. Isn't that so cute?
Also,
and you can get this until the 18th. Order this until the 18th.
This is their caramel cake, but their coconut cake.
So good.
It's also delicious.
So delicious.
So
you guys, this one is
like jams?
near and dear to my heart.
What about
Marmalade
jams?
Grove. So I found these guys on Instagram.
Oh, this is one company?
This is one company. I found out what the word strip pick means. So they don't strip pick their fruit, which means that they just literally pick it off the tree when they need it. They're not waxed. They taste like heaven. Look at you're eating a little Satsuma mandarin. My boys eat these like 4 and 5 at a time, and this just reminds me of Christmas.
Yeah.
My whole business is all about oranges. I love it.
I love it.
And then the marmalade, they've got an actual subscription service. So you can actually get a subscription. It's beautiful. I love this stuff.
That's a great
And if you want to
gift.
taste, look how pretty the packaging is.
Love it.
I'm obsessed.
Love it.
I'm obsessed.
Okay, so and this is called Marmalade Grove.
Marmalade Grove. And look at even this. Like, I'm just obsessed. Look at their packaging.
It's
beautiful.
so cute.
The logo, everything is gorgeous.
So cute.
And I have to have one because my mouth is dry.
so good.
Now this is a Texas classic right here.
Buffalo Gap, Texas. You guys, I was skeptical when they said just thaw and serve and eat it.
Oh,
It's
I always
delicious.
heat it a little.
I ate it cold.
Okay.
It was so good.
Thaw, serve, and eat
Thaw,
it?
serve, and eat.
Okay.
It's
Or you
so
can heat.
good. You can heat it up too.
Yeah.
You can do carpaccio. It's got black pepper. It's so good. Their little town only has 500 people in it.
Yeah, and
Isn't that
Lisa
great?
Perini and Tom, who have started this company, are like Texas
know them?
royals.
Just
I
good
know them.
people.
Oh, my God.
They're from
Oh,
a
I love
tiny
that.
town in Texas, and
Okay.
they have been amazing.
Texas royalty.
All right, let's go
And then,
nuts.
okay, nuts remind me of Christmas too. Citrus and nuts. This is Nichols Farms.
Okay.
Like giggling. I probably ate two bags of these on the plane yesterday alone.
Which one?
The jalapeno. You guys. They've got
Jalapeno
two
pistachio?
yes. Here, this one's got to be jalapeno. Taste whatever one is spicy.
Okay.
Smell them up. They're so good.
Oh.
This one smells spicy.
Yeah.
Did you get a spicy one?
Is it we don't like that.
Oh, you don't like spicy?
No.
Oh,
We had a
I
bad-
throw it in my gullet. I like spicy.
We had a bad situation once.
We don't want to go
I'm
back
like,
to it.
It takes us back just to have one bite
okay,
of spice.
what about cocoa dusted? Delicious.
I know.
So this is a family-run company too. There's a theme here. I love the whole family-run everything. Look at none for you. These are so good. That was a mistake
Yummy.
too to start the segment and then tell you more about them
Love
with
it.
nuts in my mouth.
Love it. All right.
Okay.
So good.
These are great.
So good. Nichols Farms.
We won't forget. Guys.
Okay, Nichols Farms, and this is, you can still order today. Do it right now.
Yeah.
And we'll be back.
Merry Christmas.
After this. Merry Christmas.